Hi, it's me, Lorna. I'm back. I know it's been like 3 months since I did a video. I was supposed to do a Stitch Fix unboxing in like July, and then I just like never did it. And then I started a job, and then I didn't have a life anymore except working and coming home and sleeping and going back to work again. And then there was a hurricane, and I was evacuated from New Orleans for 2 weeks until we got power back. And now I'm back, and now I go back to work next week. So I'm trying to do the Stitch Fix video. I've missed like 3 Stitch Fixes for y'all. I'm really, really sorry. I actually have like photos and a review of my July Stitch Fix. I just never put it together because I started a job like immediately afterwards, and like just, like life happened, right? And I just didn't have time. I didn't feel like I had time. Me. This is Bunny. He's a cuddle bug. No, you can stay. Yes. I got an email from Stitch Fix that was like, your Style Pass has renewed, thanks. And I was like, oh, I thought the Style Pass was just like a thing that you got to try one time and that was it. But I've apparently paid another $50, and I guess I get unlimited fixes again without any styling fees. I think that's the... I don't think there are going to be more styling fees. We'll see. Bye. Sweet bunny. Hold on. I gotta let him out. He's gonna bang on the door. Hold on. I do remember that when I was looking at my Stitch Fix preview that I wasn't really excited about a lot of the things that my stylist picked out. I think I only picked out like one thing from the stuff that she gave me that I was even interested in. Got this little tie-dye sweater. Maybe if I move it back, it'll be lit a little bit better. It's definitely a knit material, like a sweater, as opposed to like a cotton. That's fine, but I just keep trying to tell them that like I live in New Orleans. This little halter top. They sent me a yoga top in my last Stitch Fix, and it was like so tight across the shoulder. It was like this crop top. I actually have it in the closet because I sent it back and I got a bigger size, and so now it fits perfectly like up around the shoulders, but like gapes around my midsection. It's so stupid and disappointing. Oh, this was one that I picked out, but now that I feel it, it is and see it, it is fleece lined. It's still like 90 degrees here with 100% humidity. We just had a hurricane. I know that like I've got a real person on the other end of the line with Stitch Fix. Like, I just don't know why it's so hard for them to grasp that like geographically it's freaking hot here. Yeah, it's September, but like it's hot, and it's gonna be hot until January. It does feel really comfy, but like, you want it out, now you want back in. What do you want from me? 2 more items. I did pick these out. These are just some little shorts. I picked out some shorts from the last Stitch Fix I got too. I was gonna just get all the things out that I kept and show you what I kept. You don't care. Doesn't matter. Just some like little cotton shorts with pockets and a little zipper pocket right here. Pretty cool. Again, I'm gonna put everything on, show you what they look like. Halo performance shorts. I don't know. If you watch TV right now, there's not a single person on TV who wears skinny jeans anymore. It's really like they heard the killer coming for skinny jeans, and they just like they didn't even try to help. So they sent me Eva straight leg pant. I guess they're straight legs. We'll find out when I try them on. What a green. Ta-da! This is the yoga top. It's really cute. It's really, like, it fits really well. It's not too tight at all. The fit feels good. It's a nice material. I want to know if it comes in other colors. I'm feeling really stupid about keeping the yoga top from last time because, like, I really, like, it doesn't fit well. Actually, I can just show you. I should just show you. Tags are still on. I can probably send it back. So, but this top, I think I'm going to keep it. I just feel good in it. Yeah. These are those leggings from TikTok from, like, back in January or February or whatever. And they do make you look like you got a booty, but it's a lie. My booty's not this good without these leggings on. No way. Okay, this is the yoga top that I was sent last time, and it's just like so it was way too tight up at the top and like around my armpits. It just like cut into my armpits and stuff, and I hated that, but I really liked that it had a built-in bra. It's been years since I've owned something with a built-in bra. That is straight out of 2005, and I love it. And this, but the bottom, like, I just don't really like that it isn't snug at the bottom. I don't know, I guess it's not as bad as I thought. Maybe it's okay. Doesn't matter. Old stitch. Here's this sweater, which has little, like, you know, hand thingies like this, which is pretty cute. Nice deep side slits for breathability with all this fleece-lined nonsense. It's like, whoa. It's super comfortable. Like it feels great. And I really like it, and I just, like, totally don't need this sweater at all. Especially with, like, the fleece, once it's cold enough to wear this, I'm not gonna want big old side slits in it, right? I'm gonna want to be, like, wearing bundled up and stuff, and, like, this is so cute. I just really like it. I really like it, and I absolutely don't need it, and it makes 0 sense for where I live. But when has that ever stopped me before? The shorts. Shorts are very comfortable. Oh, I should probably, like, reposition the camera. I'll just zoom in. I don't know that I would, like, ever work out in these. It does have, like, a little, like, zipper pocket here, so you can, like, put your keys and your credit card in there for when you go for a jog. I just don't see myself working out in these. These just feel like, I don't know, they're, like, super stretchy. I just don't know. I don't know. I'm just not crazy about them, I guess. But these were the only things that I picked out from my style preview. Okay, so, are we in focus? We're in focus, okay. So this is the little tie-dye sweater, and pleasantly surprised. It's not huge. I kind of like the snugger fit. I'm not used to them sending me that kind of stuff. Sleeves are kind of a weird length on me. I do sort of wish they were, like, either, like, right here or right here. But it's, like, weirdly flattering, and I like it. I might keep this. Let me reposition the camera so you can see the full outfit, because I'm not sure. This is not something, like, it's not based on what they sent me. I'm just trying something out because I'm trying to be independent and figure out style and blah, blah, blah. Let me just show you. What do we think? Is this how this goes? Do we do it like this? I don't think we do. I feel a little weird. These boots are new too. Obviously not from Stitch Fix though. Anyway, I like this. I think I'm gonna keep it. So there's no way that any of you are gonna convince me that these aren't skinny jeans. These are called straight leg jeans, and to me, straight leg jeans means that it, like, from the knee goes straight down. This tapers very clearly tapers. I don't like how you can see like the outline of the pocket. Am I in focus? Dang, okay. I hate that. I hate that you can see the outline of the pocket. They're also like kind of big. They do have a sizable back pocket though, which goes in their favor, but these are skinny jeans. They're a loose fitting pair. They're a not as snug pair of skinny jeans. That's what they are. And I just don't need that. These are some deep pockets though, right? Like, I can fit my whole hand in there. That's revolutionary for women everywhere. Straight leg pants. You shouldn't be able to see, they shouldn't be so snug you can see the outline of your pockets, right? I like the outfit I put together though. Anyway, not gonna keep these. Okay, so let's look at prices before I just jump willy-nilly about keeping things, because I've been so surprised before. Okay. This sweater, oh man, even picking it up, it is so soft, so soft, with the cute little hand things and the big side slit and the entirely fleece inside. This is $68. I'm gonna just put this away now. I'm not gonna keep it. I'm not gonna even like touch it again, okay? I wanna keep this. I like it. It is $48. I know that this is a good quality and that you're paying for quality, but at the same time, I'm like, I could probably find something at Target very similar that is $16. I'm gonna keep it. The straight leg pant is $50, and we've already discussed this, that I will not be keeping. Aww. Sorry, y'all. I just saw the inside is so cute. Look at that. Paisley. Not keeping it, sorry. These performance shorts, I'm probably not going to keep these. They are $56. I don't think I'm going to keep them. This Market and Spruce top, $38. 38 affordable dollars. I'm gonna keep it. I like it. So that was my September Stitch Fix. My style pass has been renewed. I had a new stylist, Devin. I think she's new. Y'all wouldn't know because I didn't tell y'all about my last two fixes, so who cares? I go back to work on Monday. My child goes back to daycare on Tuesday. We still have a lot of cleaning up to do around the house from the hurricane. We luckily did not have any damage, like hardly at all. We lost some shingles and one of our trees, but like we got very, very lucky. We were some of the last people in New Orleans to get power, but there are still a ton of people in South Louisiana that don't have power and are gonna have to rebuild their entire lives because of this hurricane. If you want to make some donations somewhere or something of that nature for the folks in South Louisiana, that would be really, really appreciated because they really need the help, especially the kids who like can't go back to school. Everything is just like kind of a mess. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Tune in next time. You can find me on Instagram and Twitter, mostly on Instagram though. I'm really bad about Twitter. Hey, love me. I'll see you guys next time.